The following segment is presented by Bremo Pharmacy.
Well, here's a troubling statistic. More than 40% of American seniors do not take their medication as prescribed. Here to tell us about the devastating effects of that is Jennifer Helmke, a pharmacist at Bremo Pharmacy. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Now, this can be very dangerous because the doctor gives you a prescription, they go to get it filled, but people aren't taking it like they should. What happens when you don't?
If you don't take your medication as prescribed, it can land you in the hospital if the medication is not taken appropriately. Also, if it's not taken at the correct time of day or the correct number of times a day, you may not be taken appropriately, and it could interact with other medications you're taking and again land you in the hospital.
Now, last month you were here and you were talking about medication therapy management and you help seniors manage all the different pills they take, but you also have special packaging to help people remember when to take their medicine. Tell me about that.
Many patients are taking multiple medications a day, and it can be difficult when you're taking several medicines throughout the day. So our packaging system is designed to be set up like a calendar. So we package them according to the day of the month. And if you're taking one medication or a medication once a day, you have a morning card or whenever you need to take that, and we label it appropriately. And you would punch from whatever day it is. So if it's the 5th, we would punch from the 5th. So tomorrow, if you weren't sure if you took that medication, you can go back to your card and see, I did. It's punched out.
I love that.
If it's multiple times a day, which can be even more difficult, we've got 2 cards, one for the morning dose, one for the evening dose, and the same principle applies. You punch from the day that it is.
So instead of having a bottle full of pills, you have this card. It helps you with the day, and I could just see myself putting that on my refrigerator with a large magnet.
Yes.
And just right before you go eat, you can see it. And so how does this really help patients?
It really helps people stay on task and make sure that they are taking their medication. Also, at the end of the month, you can easily see how many pills a patient has missed or forgot to take. In addition to this system here, we also have medication administration records, which basically is a list of the medications and a place for the date and the time you can sign off that it was given if you're a caregiver or that you remember to take it. And it's also a nice list of all your medications for you to bring to all of your providers as well.
I love that. So if you have a home nurse, you have this sheet and she can just, or he can just check it off because
Absolutely.
They're so busy, they're not going to come up with a chart on their own.
No.
Let's face it. So you provide that.
Yes, we provide that as well.
Okay, I'm excited about this because I love when, people are trying to help people stay healthy, especially our seniors. You also have some home delivery services?
We do. Our pharmacy will deliver to your home, and if it's not within our 5-mile radius of the pharmacy, we can also do UPS shipping directly to your home.
Well, thank you so much, Jennifer Helmke, Bremo Pharmacy. If you would like to find out more information about their special packaging and home delivery services, just visit their website, bremorx.com.